Hi guys, live here from DMC Bangkok. I just got a new package coming in from DMC Germany. They sent me this. I feel so excited. This is the brand new rear wing that we developed for the Porsche 992. And enough the talking, let's just come with me. We'll unpack this baby together and take a close look. DMC Live. So the box is always the most difficult part, but we have sort of like, we're well known for having like a medical type packing. This is very, very safe. Let's go on, unpack the inside as well. So here is the first part of the DMC 992 rear wing spoiler. This is what we call the base spoiler. This one sits onto your car. It also connects the wing legs. You can, by the way, you can see the beautiful 3D sticker, the 3D hologram sticker, making sure it's the original DMC part. The screws are already in here, so we make it very convenient for you to install the wing. Also, when you look under the wing, under the base wing, this particular wing is made from Kevlar. You can also order it in carbon fiber. All screws are in here already, so very convenient for the paint shop or whoever does the install. Just in case you're curious, these are M6 screws, 3 on each side of the leg for the base, and of course the wing has its own screws. Greg, why are you using your fingers? Because I like to cut my fingers, right? No, not really. Joking, but you've seen in the past weeks how often I had like a hurt finger. I should use a screwdriver, but it's okay. It reminds me when I was a child playing with Lego. So this is the wing leg. This is a very solid piece of forged aluminum. Here are the screws, very thick and solid. You see we have these little indentations. So the indentations are there so the head of the screw can go inside. Each side one, just to show you the style. So guys, that was it, a first look at DMC's brand new product for the Porsche 992, our wing spoiler plus spoiler base, also available in full carbon fiber as well as forged carbon fiber. If you liked the video, please hit it with a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, you know the drill, hit it with a thumbs down. In both cases, please let us know what you liked and what you didn't like so we can improve for you in future. I hope to see you next time with more DMC content. Until then, thanks for watching. DMC Live.